All right, here we are. We're having some coffee. We're supposed to be filming right now. Oh, instead we're having coffee. Cheers.
Where they roast the beans, and it's right on this little walkway that takes you right to the college.
I mean, how cute is this? What a happy little accident. We're supposed to be filming on location right now with the film commissioner, who's been so patient with me and so wonderful. But we got to the location that we were supposed to be filming at, and it was gated off.
It happens.
It was unavailable. So we're regrouping.
I'll climb a building. I'll do it. I'm not going to make her do it.
I'll break a law or two. I'm just not around the commissioner. You know what I mean? So we're going to regroup. We're going to hopefully go to the studio and try it again and talk to her about film in Sacramento and why it could be better and why it's awesome and, you know, all the things. Like why people should be here filming their movies.
Right. And how to get permits for filming on location so that problems like this don't happen. All kinds of things.
All kinds of, we're living and learning. We're living and learning.
Learning and living.